For today's video, you're going to need 10 line developer, a mixing thing, and Wella T18, a hairbrush, and gloves. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair because I have not brushed my hair in days.
Hey, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you get reminded whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for coming here. Bye.
I also forgot to tell you guys that you'll need a trash bag, and no, it's not for what you think. It's for covering your body while you do your hair. You just put one hole in the top, 2 holes inside for your arms. The next step is to rinse our hair. God, that was fun. Now you look like a wet mop. It's time to mix the solution. I got this fancy bottle from Sally's that tells you the ounces. I have the 3 ounces in my bottle, so I'm gonna add my toner. I'm a chemist. Part your hair where you'd normally part it and just start pouring it on. You can use this little nozzle to part your hair and insert more. I like to start by getting it all over my roots first, and then I bring the product all the way to my ends.
Am I just a fool, blind and stupid for loving you? Am I just a silly girl? People are talking, people are saying that you have been playing my heart like a grand piano. So play on, play on, play on.
In my eye.
Do you believe in love after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. And I know that I'll get through this. I don't
I'm gonna grab that brush. This is the hair I lost earlier. It's like the first time I've brushed my hair since I bleached it. I'm just gonna brush through my hair carefully. Make sure the product's all the way through all of it.
Hello darkness, my old friend. It's good to talk to you again. Heard you while I was sleeping. I heard your voice and I was speaking. As the song was written in my grave, it still remains.
I'm dying. So time to clean up. It's been in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash out. And that's the end of our video. See you in the next one. Oh, you want to see the results? Okay.
Thank you for watching. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button.